the ways we like to wrap up on App Talks is with some peer-to-peer advice. What would you tell somebody, maybe at a big company that's got outdated or disparate systems? How would you advise them to go about getting themselves to the point where you are with their technology?
So, this will sound maybe a little bit canned, but start with the end in mind. Know where you're going. A lot of folks will have been down that path. A lot of my peers in various organizations think more like that. Where are we going? And then, let's map the path to get there. But the one thing that I would say that I would offer advice to someone who were getting started down this path is that it is never too early to start looking at your data. I think it's never too early to invest in bringing someone in to help you understand, okay, now tell me where you're going. All right, that means that that's going to impact this data. Let's start looking at that data. That has been the biggest challenge that we've had to overcome. Not a systems, not a capabilities thing. It's about our data and what data, particularly when you're coming from the disparate companies that I had talked about. Serial numbers were constructed in a certain way in that organization, different from this organization. So that means we can't use it unless we make changes to the data. We can't use it in the same way. The system has to be smart enough to know, where's that serial number coming from. So I would say start with your data. It's never too early.
Yeah, it's a great story. I've really enjoyed this. Enjoyed talking to you. Thanks so much for coming down and telling your story here.
You bet. Thanks, Andrew.
And thank you for joining us on another episode of App Talks.